What is Nissan's PRO-4X off-road package?
But before we start, please support us by pressing the like and subscribe buttons, so that we can continue to provide information about car and motorcycle news. Also turn on the bell button to get the latest updates. Your support means a lot to us. Thank you.
Available on Nissan's all-new 2022 Frontier and 2021 Titan XD. The PRO-4X off-road package is an assemblage of hard parts and interior treatments that make both pickups competitive in their respective segments when it comes to maneuvering off pavement. Joining are reports on Toyota's Pro, Ford's F-150 Tremor, and the GMC AT4 off-road packages. This article details Nissan's PRO-4X option, specifically as installed on a crew cab Frontier, one of 5 pickups tested in the 2022 four-wheeler pickup truck of the year evaluation. While Nissan's four-wheel drive trucks are plenty capable in their own right, the company says PRO-4X features extend that capability with technology, engineering, style, and grit. All of these are present in the 2022 Frontier PRO-4X. The PRO-4X off-road package was originally made available for Frontier in 2009. A hardcore option back then, today's group includes many of the same stout chassis and suspension components, heavy-duty bushings and Bilstein shocks, for example, that were installed on the original. Of course, many new in-cab amenities have also been added to the PRO-4X mix since then, but the core updates remain beneath the body and in the technology that allows Frontier to hold its own against other midsize off-road rigs. With the exception of having four-wheel drive, the 2022 Nissan Frontier PRO-4X Crew Cab actually shares many standard features with its King Cab S sibling. Here, we detail the specifics of components that are directly related to the truck's performance and capability on the dirt and in the rocks, as well as additional interior and exterior features that are included in the PRO-4X off-road set, which can be further enhanced through the purchase of extra-cost individual options or packages. Powertrain like Nissan's Frontier King Cab S, the 2022 Frontier PRO-4X features an updated 3.8-liter V6 engine that makes 310 horsepower and 281 pound-feet of torque. That power plant is backed by a 9-speed automatic transmission and, of course, a four-wheel drive system that's controlled by a switch-operated 2-speed transfer case. Other unique to the trim drivetrain equipment includes an electronic locking rear differential and a switch for selecting tow or haul modes. Chassis and suspension. In the chassis and suspension area, there are again direct similarities between the King Cab S and PRO-4X Frontier. Both rigs are fitted with engine speed-sensitive power steering, 16% greater ratio, an independent double wishbone front suspension, and multi-leaf rear suspension, with a Dana 44 solid axle. PRO-4X specific upgrades include Bilstein monotube shocks optimized for off-road performance, and a rear suspension stabilizer bar. Wheels and tires. The wheel and tire combination for the Nissan PRO-4X off-road package steps the base 16-inch wheels up to 17 inches. On the rig we evaluated, Hankook Dynapro AT2 page 265/70ths R17 all-terrain tires were mounted on beadlock-style aluminum wheels, which are an optional upgrade. Standard PRO-4X rims shown here are dark-finished 17s. Interior. In the cockpit, there are several features that differentiate PRO-4X from Nissan's standard truck interiors. A 6-way power driver's seat, with 2-way manual lumbar support, and a 60/40 split flip-up bench seat with a fold-down center armrest in the rear can be finished in optional leather, and black interior stitching can be substituted for the package's lava red if desired. PRO-4X seat embroidery, a leather-wrapped steering wheel and shift knob, chrome door handles, and PRO-4X carpeted floor mats are included with the package.
Thanks for watching. Drop a like. Leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to watch more videos like this.